You're watching How Leap. Let's archive highlights on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the person icon. Below your bio, you will see your story highlights. Press and hold on the specific highlight cover you wish to archive. A small menu will appear. Tap Edit Highlight on the edit screen. You will see all the stories currently in that highlight. Tap the circular check mark on each story to deselect it. Uncheck all stories to remove them from the highlight. Then tap Done in the top right corner. A pop-up will ask Remove from Highlight. Tap Remove. The highlight will now be empty and will automatically disappear from your profile. The original stories that were in the highlight are not deleted. They are moved to your private story archive. To access your archive, go to your profile, tap the menu icon 3 lines, and select Archive. Here you can see all your past stories and highlights. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.